Okay guys, I want to show you Miele complete C3 power line. I bought this used one. Okay, so I want to see if this is working. This gadget deserves your attention. Very powerful. It's a gadget you can rely on. So I bought the bags for it. So this is the bag it's using. I got a high clean 3D efficiency bag, FJM, and this is 99.99% filtration, okay, with eco efficiency, long lasting performance. And this bag can go with Miele complete C1, okay, compact C1, compact C2, and S6000, S4000, S700, S500, S300i, S290, S240, S6999, S6X4, S799, S578, S399, S29. So Miele got so many models. Actually, I need to start looking into Miele, and I was told they are powerful gear to rely on. So basically, this baby here, I bought it used one, and it's not looking bad from what we can see. So but what we want to do is to try to set this up, okay, and so all the gears, the brushes, you can see the brushes, clevis, and so this one is maybe can use this for sofa, and this one is also for soft surface. This one you use this for the area you cannot able to reach easily. Okay, so what we want to do is actually try to put the bag. So open this. Pardon me, I'm trying to sort this out upon the experience I have using all the vacuum gear. So if you want to open up this compartment here, you press this end, okay, for you to be able to open it up. So this clevis goes here, this brush goes to this corner, okay, and this one goes here. This is very compact. Then you close it. If you want to open it up to change the bag or filter, open up from this end, okay. You can see what I said earlier. This Miele, this one is broken. Actually, the cover, okay, is broken, but it's still functional, still working. And this is the filter, okay, and I got fresh filter here, which I might as well replace it. So this is a new filter, and to change this, okay, there's an arrow here, okay. I believe you just need to open it up this way, okay, and now you can see. So remove this filter this way, okay. So if you remove it, then you put this one, okay, and it's written here. Then cover it, close it. You can see this is more like a fresh one. This one is a bit dirty and manky. Now, okay, now to put this back, you can see it's in. Okay, so it goes in this way. Now we need to put the bag. This is the bag here. Okay, this one is Miele High Clean 3D FJM shop.miele.com. You can see what the bag looks like. Then it goes in here, okay, and push it down, and it's in. Okay, so if naturally there's a lot of more rooms. So this gear actually needs a bit of tender loving care. Probably need a bit of cleaning and stuff like that, and to go from there. Just close. Okay. Now what we need to do is actually to see if this is working. So here we go. Okay, and it's in. Now bring the power cable. So this cable is retractable cable, so you can bring it out. So I think it's 12.5 meter cable long, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, now If you want to bring the cable back in, you just need to press and it goes back in. That's it. Okay, now plug this on. Hey, you can see the sound. You can see the sound, and this one smells nice. This one was looked after properly. Yeah. So this is the minimum. So you use plus, okay, use plus sign to go to the next level. If you want to clean sofa, okay, so or hard surface. And this is the maximum. Wow, I can see the suction. Amazing. What are we going to hoover? Guys, what are we going to hoover now? Let me see. Let's give Miele job to do. Okay, Miele, job don't come for you. We want to see what Miele can do with all this job. We want to see what Miele can do. Miele, here we go. Job don't come for you. So you can extend this if you want. This is how to extend it. Yeah. Brilliant. This is awesome. Powerful, powerful, powerful. I love it. Thank you very much, guys. Very happy with this Miele C3. We're going to sort out the other one. This one is powerful, very reliable, and efficiency, very strong. Although you can see the cover is broken, but it's still working and functioning properly. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Peace.